Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and continue feeling it until you become that feeling. Neville Goddard. Imagine for a moment that the desire you've been nurturing, the one you think about day and night, has already manifested in your life. What would change? How would you feel? Most importantly, how would you act if you were living in that reality right now? The principle here is not just to dream, but to fully think of the experience of your wish as though it is already your current reality. This powerful concept is grounded in the belief that our thoughts and feelings shape our reality. Our reality is a reflection of our inner state. If you want to bring a change in your life, you need to first experience that change internally. The key is to act as if your wish has already been fulfilled. This isn't just about wishful thinking, it's about a profound shift in how you perceive and interact with the world around you. Start by immersing yourself in the sensation of having already achieved your goal. Close your eyes and visualize yourself in that fulfilled state. Feel the emotions, hear the sounds, and experience the environment as if it were real. This isn't a mere exercise in imagination, it's a practice in shifting your consciousness to align with your desired reality. The more vivid and detailed your mental imagery, the more potent the impact on your actual experience. When you act as if your wish is already fulfilled, you begin to align your actions and decisions with this new reality. This alignment is crucial because it helps bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. By living as though your desire is already realized, you start to make choices and take actions that reflect this new state of being. This alignment sends powerful signals to the universe, drawing your desired reality closer to you. Think about how you would carry yourself if your wish were fulfilled. How would you dress? What kind of people would you associate with? What would your daily routine look like? Begin to incorporate these elements into your life, even if only in small ways at first. This doesn't mean you have to make drastic changes overnight, but rather start making decisions that reflect your new state of being. Over time, these small changes will accumulate and create a significant shift in your overall reality. It's important to understand that this process is not about denying the present reality, but rather about shifting your focus and energy. By acting as if your wish is already fulfilled, you're not ignoring current circumstances. You're choosing to focus on what you want to create. This shift in focus helps you to remain positive and motivated, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. The practice of acting as if can also be incredibly empowering. It places the power of transformation in your hands, reminding you that you are the creator of your own reality. By taking ownership of your thoughts and actions, you become an active participant in shaping your future. This empowerment is crucial for manifesting your desires because it reinforces the belief that you are capable of achieving your goals. As you continue to act as if your wish is already fulfilled, you may start to notice subtle changes in your external circumstances. Opportunities may begin to present themselves, and you might find that people and resources that align with your desires are drawn to you. This is not mere coincidence. It is the result of the powerful alignment between your internal state and your external reality. Consistency is key in this practice. The more you consistently act as if your wish is already fulfilled, the more ingrained this new reality becomes. This consistency helps to build a strong foundation for your desired reality, making it easier for it to manifest in your life. It's like building a new habit. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. In addition to acting as if, it's also important to cultivate a mindset of gratitude. Gratitude acts as a powerful amplifier for your desires, reinforcing the feeling of already having what you want. By regularly expressing gratitude for what you have and what you're manifesting, you create a positive feedback loop that attracts more of what you desire into your life. It's worth noting that this practice requires patience and persistence. Manifesting your desires doesn't always happen instantly, and there may be times when it feels like nothing is changing. During these times, it's important to maintain faith in the process and continue acting as if your wish is fulfilled. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires into reality. Building on the concept of acting as if your wish is already fulfilled, it's important to get deeper into the nuances of how this practice can manifest profound changes in various aspects of your life. This approach isn't limited to simply visualizing or making surface-level changes. It involves a deeper transformation in how you engage with your goals and aspirations. One significant aspect of this practice is how it influences your relationships. When you embody the state of having already achieved your desires, you naturally begin to attract people and interactions that resonate with this new reality. Your energy shifts and others start to respond to you differently. This isn't just about attracting people who share your aspirations, but also about building connections that support and enhance your journey. The quality of your relationships improves as you engage with others from a place of fulfillment and confidence rather than need or lack. Acting as if your wish is fulfilled can also impact your professional life. Imagine approaching your career with the mindset that you are already where you want to be. This shift influences how you perform, how you handle challenges, and how you seize opportunities. You start to operate from a place of certainty and competence, which not only boosts your performance but also attracts recognition and advancement. This proactive stance helps you position yourself as a leader or innovator in your field, creating a ripple effect that can lead to significant career growth. Another crucial element to consider is the impact of this practice on your personal well-being. When you act as if your desires are already realized, you inherently align with a more positive and fulfilled state of mind. This alignment can lead to improved mental and emotional health. You become less consumed by anxiety and stress as your focus shifts from what you lack to what you have achieved. This enhanced well-being has a cascading effect, improving your overall quality of life and your ability to handle daily challenges with greater ease and resilience. Additionally, incorporating this practice into your daily routine can lead to a more productive and purposeful life. By consistently acting as if you've achieved your goals, you develop a habit of proactive and intentional behavior. This habit fosters discipline and a strong work ethic, driving you to take steps that align with your aspirations. Your daily actions become more deliberate and focused, creating a sense of momentum that propels you forward. It's also valuable to understand the role of self-belief in this process. Acting as if your wish is already fulfilled reinforces a deep sense of self-belief and confidence. This belief is crucial because it influences how you perceive and respond to setbacks and obstacles. Instead of viewing challenges as deterrents, you see them as opportunities to grow and refine your approach. This shift in perspective empowers you to persist and adapt, ultimately leading to the realization of your goals. Moreover, this practice encourages a deeper connection with your inner self. As you immerse yourself in the experience of having already achieved your desires, you gain greater clarity about your true values and aspirations. This clarity helps you make decisions that are in alignment with your authentic self, rather than being driven by external pressures or expectations. It fosters a sense of integrity and authenticity in your actions, which is essential for long-term fulfillment. One critical area where this practice can make a significant impact is in your approach to problem solving. When you operate from the standpoint of having already achieved your goals, you approach challenges with a mindset of solutions rather than obstacles. This shift in perspective is empowering because it reframes difficulties as mere stepping stones toward your ultimate success. Instead of being bogged down by problems, you view them as opportunities to refine your approach and get closer to your desired outcome. This proactive attitude not only enhances your problem-solving skills, but also fosters resilience and adaptability, crucial traits for navigating the complexities of life. When you mentally and emotionally align with the reality of financial abundance, you begin to make decisions and take actions that reflect this new state. This could involve budgeting more effectively, seeking out new income opportunities, or investing in personal development. By embodying the mindset of financial success, you attract resources and opportunities that align with this vision. Your financial habits and attitudes shift, leading to tangible improvements in your economic well-being. This practice also extends to your physical health and wellness. By visualizing and acting as if you are already in optimal health, you align your behaviors and choices with this state. This could mean adopting healthier eating habits, incorporating regular exercise into your routine, or prioritizing self-care. When you embody the mindset of being healthy and vibrant, your actions naturally follow suit, resulting in improved physical health and overall vitality. This alignment between mental and physical states creates a synergistic effect, reinforcing your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. In essence, the practice of acting as if your wish is already fulfilled is a multifaceted approach that influences various dimensions of your life. It enhances your problem-solving abilities, improves your financial situation, supports your physical health, nurtures a sense of fulfillment, enriches your relationships, fosters personal growth, and empowers you to take control of your destiny. By embodying this practice, you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your aspirations, creating a more harmonious and satisfying reality. If you found this lesson insightful, don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable content and resources.